Hey guys, and welcome to another vlog with me, Dineo Rasedile. If it is your first time hanging out, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much to every single new subscriber. If you haven't yet, please become a VIP and tap that subscribe button so that you can have a front row seat on this journey here with me. So today it's going to be, this week rather, is going to be a pretty fun week. If you watched my last video, you will have seen that I announced that I have a new show coming out on Netflix on the 29th of July, so called Justice Served. And this week we're going to be shooting some promo stuff. We're going to be there's a press junket tomorrow as well, so I'm heading to Joburg. I'm just at the car wash, and then I'm heading to Joburg, and I'm going to be there for the next 3 days, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to share every single behind the scenes moment with you guys. So yeah, let's get straight into it. And behave. All right, so guys, this is my room. Just walked in. It's like closets and whatnot. This is my fridge. Oh, this is so cute. All my goodies. I am actually starving. I did not eat today. I was so stressed about getting here on time, but anyway, it's my little kitchen area. Trying to keep it steady. My dining, my living room, yes, and then we have my bedroom. How cute. And I have a TV in my bedroom too. That's nice. So it's my bedroom and my TV. Love it. And this is the bathroom. I haven't gone in here yet. Oh, this is cute. Okay. Big shower. And little workstation, I guess. Not a workstation. A little dresser, I guess. Okay, let's come back out here. There's me, looking cute. This is my outfit for the day. Can y'all see it? Hey, boo, hey. This is my closet. My closet, Marriott Hotel. It's in here. Oh, safe. And over here, these are my wardrobe options for tomorrow's press junket. So apparently the Glam squad is gonna come through later on, and we're gonna pick and choose and see what we like over here. These are cute. Oh my. So yeah, that's my home for the next 3 days. I'm so excited. Okay, cool. I feel like I will show you guys as the day goes. I was just trying to see if I have a view. I do not really. Let me see. Okay, so this is, wow, this is scary. Is this open? I don't even want to know because there's like no balcony. But yeah, anyway, hey Joburg, hey. So I'm currently in Melrose Arc, within Melrose Arc, so I'm probably will. Okay, so that is the Glam squad. Yeah, let me go open. Okay, so I just had a hectic hour or so. I didn't have a chance to talk and explain what's going on, but basically the Glam team, the team of stylists, both wardrobe and hair, just came in and we tried on a few different looks and saw what we liked, what the client likes, and then so now I'm going to fetch my luggage in the car because I literally just came up rather, and got to work. So now I'm gonna get my things from the car and then just settle in. I don't think I'm gonna go out today. I really don't know. If it does happen that I do, it will just be for a very short while because I have such an early morning tomorrow and a long day and I need to be fresh. So I don't think I'm gonna be out tonight. And also I want to make the most of this stunning room that is so cozy and quiet. So yeah, let's go get my things. Look who is in the building. Who is this random skr in my vlog?
I know, guys. Why is
Who
this
are
being
you?
a problem?
I'm introducing you to my VIPs.
Oh, hi guys. Hi, my name is Franz Casella, coming to you all the way from Johannesburg, South Africa, where we make the things happen in the city of gold.
What's with the accent?
What accent?
So guys, this is Punch Casella, who plays Menzi in Justice Served, aka my on-screen bae. Ooh. So I'm just walking him out of the bill, seeing him out. His time here is limited. So are you excited? Are you excited for tomorrow?
Yes, I'm gonna give them all the spoiler alerts and say Dineo said I must read from this auto cue. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Do you like your looks?
We did not even press the thing. I do like my looks. So I actually look really nice. Are we like matching or like?
I don't think we are. My colors are really bright. Probably.
Hey, and you know me, I like dark colors.
Same, but yeah, they.
I like Menzi.
Green, pink.
Menzi's got like yellow and like.
Well, I suppose our characters also in like hectic colors. Okay, so this is you.
This is me.
I'm back. So my co-actor that you just met just left. I just went to say hi quickly because they were doing their glam session consultation on the other side. So I just learned that I need to be up and fresh and ready by 6:30 tomorrow morning. So I am most definitely not going anywhere tonight. I don't even want to entertain the idea of socializing. I'm literally just going to rest, take a shower afterwards, and just put my feet up and have an early night because, yeah, it's going to be a long day tomorrow. There's our skin, nighttime skin, ready for bed and beauty sleep. See? Good morning. So I managed to wake up. It's now, I think, 6:45. I've just showered, I'm moisturized and ready for the day. The head of wardrobe has just left. They just picked up the outfit that they ultimately chose to go and get it steamed and ready for me to put it on. So I'm just gonna make myself a cup of tea and relax and get in the zone. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so cute. Look at my eyebrows. Oh, I love it. Yes. Oh, it's so pretty. Here's my face beater. She meant makeup. Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
I'm glad you like it, sis.
Look at your girl.
Yes, yes.
Oh, this is so dope. Okay, now I'm gonna get dressed. Or should I eat first? I think I'm gonna eat. This lighting is. Batong Luna. Hey. OMG, never ready. Okay. To have breakfast. But now I need to eat cute because, wow. Okay, I have a plan. Okay, so hair and makeup is done. I'm just gonna eat. So I had to chop my food up into small little pieces so that I can eat neatly and not mess up my lipstick. But I just wanted to say that when we were busy doing makeup, I had my current favorite gospel playlist on YouTube right now. It starts with I don't know if I'll be able to like link it, but it's so beautiful. It starts with This I Know by We Will Worship featuring Kayam Tetwa. It's just so beautiful. And while I was getting my makeup done, you guys, I had to try so hard, like 2 or 3 times, to not like tear up and start crying, because I was just thinking about like the past couple of months. If you remember, there was a vlog that I posted a few months ago, and I wasn't like in the best of spirits. I was a bit down. I was fighting very hard to like not get down in the dumps and discouraged and whatnot. And it's like about 3 months later now, and I'm in a much better place and like just so excited and just so grateful. Like God has just been so amazing. And I was just thinking of how we tend to, like, when we're going through the most, we tend to feel like it's not going to end, but the truth of the matter is everything ends, and there's like a season and a time for everything. So yeah, I just wanted to share that, like, It was just such a beautiful morning, and I'm feeling really grateful. I'm feeling really happy. I'm excited. Yeah, man. Yeah. So I'm gonna gobble up real quick, get dressed, and then go socialize. Okay, so this is the look for today. These are the shoes and the earrings that I'm gonna be wearing, but I'll put these on my way out. Oh, look at my boys, the Bay and the Bestie.
There's always that tension in my neck. Like the nerves occur here and my neck becomes really, really tight.
What's gonna happen here? Is this a photo shoot
I've
vibe?
heard about a lot of different nerves. Apparently, type of smoke could make, like, whenever you perform.
This is the setup. So basically, in a press junket, you sit over here and different media comes in and out, asks your questions. No, I'm not. You can watch my channel. So I've just had a bathroom break. I've had about 5 interviews by now. Something like 5 or 6. It could be 6. How many interviews have we done by now?
By now, we've probably done about 15,
That lies. Something like 5 or 6, I think.
5 or 6.
And I've
they've
just
been
had a
wonderful.
bathroom break.
They're going well.
I think I'm warmed up.
Yes? Ready to go again?
Yes, I am.
do
I'm
it.
ready to go. I think I'm warmed up. I was very nervous the first 3.
You're no longer nervous.
No, I'm nervous
nervous,
because you
true.
never know what the next person is gonna
No,
ask
nervous,
and
true.
let's see, the comedian. I mean, like, I can't deal. So, this is the room. Let me show you guys. Hi, Suga.
I'm sure it's a first. I'm sure it's a first.
That's one now.
This is my life. This is what I have to deal with.
Bye bye.
I can't. Like, these people in my life. Like,
Can I get you?
it's a lunch break.
I'm sure it's an first.
Feel better now.
No, I'm sure it's a first. So it's lunch. How's it?
It's
That's your lunch.
lunchtime.
Slambile.
Yeah, no. We've been talking. Where are we going? Lunchtime.
To express like who is Itu, but in your own words. And then when we start each of the recordings, we're going to ask you to say hi, your full name, and who you play on Just a Surf. We're very fun set. We're not.
Honestly, here.
You can stand your slippers if you want. We don't see your.
Yeah.
That is music to my ears. Okay, so I'm back at my room and I've changed out of my wardrobe, so they should be coming to pick up the stuff now. But I got these goodie bags. Y'all know I love me my freebies. So I'm gonna check what's inside. Just do an unboxing real quick. Let's do this. Okay. So, I'm going to start with this one. This looks like food, which we love. Now, I have this cute backpack. It's like a Netflix backpack. How cute! Oh, it's like a Netflix t-shirt. It's a Netflix t-shirt, but it's like long. Yes, okay, cool. This is a sweater. Yes. Okay. This is a Netflix sweater. Listen. It's also quite big. But we gonna make it work. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. So it's another bag. It's another bag. And it also says Netflix. Can you see the Netflix? Netflix. Okay, what's inside? What is this? Okay. Oh. This is Netflix. This is a nice bottle. And those are my kitties. Absolutely love them. Whew. So yeah, that is my first press junket done. Absolutely exhausting, guys. Can I tell you how at some point you feel like you said the same thing over and over? A lot of questions were like, obviously because I don't know, I remember I showed you guys where we sit, right? And then you literally sit in that room and different media publications and platforms come in and out. They have their 10 minutes with you, asking you all the questions that they want to know. And you just have to answer those questions. So interviews make me very nervous, I don't want to lie. But I think I enjoyed myself. I had fun. You guys will obviously be seeing those really soon, probably after the show comes out. But yeah, I'm exhausted. I'm so tired. But it was so nice to see everybody again. I hadn't seen some of the faces literally since we wrapped shooting, or since we did ADRs, which was like back in April. So it's really fun. Yeah, now I'm basically done for the day.
We all had our pass through Law and Order phase. That was one or two shows that were shot in New York until they started shooting New York undercover. And normally Law and Order.
Good morning. I'm awake. I'm fresh. I've showered, had breakfast, ready for the day. Today I decided to go with a fresh face, no makeup. I literally just have face cream and sunscreen on, because today yesterday I had a full face of makeup the entire day, and the previous day I also had makeup on, so I'm just letting my skin breathe. But yeah, I still have the hair because I tried to figure out how to take it off last night, but I was too tired and I didn't even have any scissors with me. So I was like, you know what, when I get home I will sit down nicely in front of the mirror and try to figure out how they attached this whole vibe onto my head, because my nightmare is literally cutting my hair off by accident. But yeah, anyway guys, that was my week for Netflix promos and my first press junket. I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, basically that is it, and I hope you guys had fun hanging out. If you have any questions, please do pop them in the comment section. I am going to head out now. It's been real. Thank you so much to the Marriott Hotel at Melrose Arc for the amazing hospitality, and Netflix for just treating me like a superstar the entire week. But yeah, I'm excited to bring you guys more content as we lead up to the main event and the official premiere of Justice Served, coming to Netflix on the 29th of July. Thank you so much for hanging out, guys, and I will see you on the next video.